We're back at the Pearl in Ellensburg. Here, local ingredients lay the groundwork for a unique and flavorful menu, creating something really special.
A great place. I'd come here again.
The quality of the food is very, very good.
It was just delicious.
You can't go wrong with anything on the menu. There's safe choices, there's more adventurous choices, all of it very intentional and all of it very good.
Owner Blake Collins worked as a bartender until a skydiving accident inspired him to start the restaurant he'd been dreaming about for years.
After that accident, it was either stick around and do the corporate thing or take a risk, take out a loan, and come to this beautiful space and give it a try on my own.
Yeah. Very, laid back, welcoming.
Did a really nice job with the preparation. All the vegetables were really well cut, very fresh.
All kinds of thumbs up.
And if you go on our cocktails, people love the Bad Skydiver.
The what is it called?
The Bad Skydiver.
Oh, the
You gotta make fun of yourself.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta make fun of yourself just a little bit.
One of those marvelously eclectic, tasty surprises.
We're going to be in Ellensburg lunchtime. We're going to be at the Pearl.
We're gonna cook something today with Lacey.
Yes, we're gonna make the Ellensburg Blue Steak.
Well, cheers.
Cheers to that.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Time to head to the kitchen to cook with executive chef Lacey Bender.
You're putting me to work because you actually need to make the marinade for 15 pounds of steak, right? So what should we do first?
First, I like to start with my vegetables and everything, just to get them chopped and out of the way.
We start by chopping up some jalapenos and having some garlic cloves. Meanwhile, Lacey chops up some cilantro.
Some people don't like cilantro, which I understand because they have a allergic reaction to it, so it tastes like soap.
I feel so unfortunate.
Yeah, but a lot of in the marinade, the combination with the acids and all that kind of stuff, it balances it out.
Here, get to work.
Absolutely.
Next, we add our juices: lime juice, olive oil, orange juice, white vinegar, and soy sauce. Then we put in a spice mixture of salt, pepper, cumin, and chili powder. Finally, we toss in our garlic and jalapenos and blend for about 30 seconds.
If there's chunks of jalapeno and garlic in there, not a big deal.
That's all
like I said,
good.
you're just gonna soak the meat in there overnight, and it comes out super
So-
delicious.
We have our steaks that have been marinating for overnight. Oh yeah, those look great.
You can shake some of the stuff off. I like to leave it on there because it adds little flavor crystals.
Of course.
Lacey cooks the steaks until medium rare, then begins on the sauce. She browns some bacon bits in bacon fat, then adds some portobello mushroom. Next, she adds some garlic and Madeira. Finally, she turns off the heat and finishes it all off with some gorgonzola crumbles. We cut up the steak and start plating. On the side, we add some potato pancakes.
Nothing like steak and potatoes.
I know.
It's the best.
We add some grilled vegetables and top the steak off with the sauce. Finally, we finish the whole thing off with some buttermilk sweet onions.
And that there is our Ellensburg Blue Steak.
This is enough for 2 people in my mind, but
You've got the saltiness from the bacon fat. You've got the tanginess from the gorgonzola. It's just a powerhouse of this kind of flavors.
the first thing I noticed is like a smokiness. And that steak is so tender.
Yes, that's the marinade doing its job.
Tangy, and you get that fresh kind of taste to it too.
It's different steps of flavors that hit you in each time you chew.
Absolutely. 100%. You ready for some more?
Yes.
I am.
To get the recipe for the Pearl's Ellensburg Blue Steak, visit wagrown.com.